Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Greg with Ideal Trading Ideas, and as you can see, we have our Robinhood portfolio pulled up on the screen. So as of right now, you can see that we have $22,021.71, and we're up $628 for today, right? So portfolio is up positive 2.94% for the day. And what we want to do is we want to show you guys how to do a covered call rollover, right, of one of our trades, right? So this is going to be one of the links that are going to be put inside our book that we're working on. And as of right now, we want to take a look at Snapchat. So before I even get to it, I want to pull up Snapchat on the screen. This is the 15-minute window, but Snapchat is going for $11.71. We said that we would sell Snapchat off for $11. So that's 71 cents that we're leaving on the table as of right now, right? 71 cents times 100 shares, which is $71. In this case, is going to be times 300 shares, which is basically 200 and $10 that we're leaving on the table, right? A little bit more than that. So what we want to do is go back over here and click on Snapchat, right? So we have Snapchat right here, Snapchat 11. We're going to click on it. It's loading right now, and it pulls up on the screen. It says Snapchat's going for $11.72 right now. You can see it's showing everything. Now we can do a couple of things. We can do a buy to close order. In the buy to close, we would just pay the difference in the price and be done with it. Or we can just sell our shares off today and do nothing and just let it sell for $11 if we truly wanted that to happen, right? So if we scroll down, you can pretty much see your position. So it's saying as a market value of negative $216. So a negative 500% total return on investment if we decided to actually buy this back, right? Would anybody want to do this? No, I would not want to do this, right? But if I wanted to roll this position, maybe because I think that the price may go back down, or if I'm thinking I just want to get some more money off of this particular trade, I would click on roll this position. And as you can see, we have the option chain window that just popped up, and it says expiring November 18th. This is our current position right here. It says 71 cent. And then if we scroll down, right, most people will want to pick this number right here, $12 strike price for a 41 premium, right? That's going to be less than what the current price is, so we don't want that. If we pick $11.50, we're saying that we'll sell off at $11.50, but for 64 cents. So $11.50 for strike for $64 per share, right? We would still be negative. And most people would probably say, I'll take the negative hit just to come out with $150 from selling at $11.50, possibly, right? But for us, we're saying, hey, I'm willing to sell at 11 still, but they're willing to give me $95. So I want to click on this just to see for sure, right? It's saying 95, 94 is the mark. So we'll click on it, right? Click on continue, and it's telling us that our minimum credit is $75 as of right now. Now we may change that to 0.24 just to make sure that this trade goes through, right? So short call roll, 100 shares. We own 3 contracts or 300 shares at 24 cents per share is going to equal up to be $72. Click on that, submit, and as of right now it says quantity 03, estimate credit is $72, commission 0. Click on done. Right? So as of right now, we're waiting to see if this is actually going to go through, right? Sometimes you have to play around with the numbers, but as of right now, it hasn't went through. It says we've received your order for the 3 snap contracts, and once again, it did not go through, right? So we're just waiting around to see, mainly because the price is fluctuating right now. But we also have to consider the fact that, hey, it's 73 cents over the current price. So we may end up still selling off our shares at $11 today. Do we have a problem with selling off our shares at $11? The answer is no, because we're still going to make a profit. But we're thinking about just making a couple of more dollars. Extra $75 on the trade would not harm us. It'll actually put us up to an extra. Let's see. We pocketed $523 already, so that would put us right around the $600 area for pocketing, right? Plus just the sell-off amount as well. The money we'll make from the sell-off. So we'll come out with a good little amount of money if we're able to make that happen, but we're gonna wait for a little while and see what happens. But anyway, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, hey, please drop it in my comment box on the channel. I really do appreciate all the love and support, and hopefully I'm teaching you guys how to actually do your option trades, whether it be your covered calls or your rollovers or your buy to close and so on and so forth. Have a great one. Bye.